I'm making a quick video for those of you who are playing this game using your phone. A friend contacted me saying that they couldn't access certain features because they were using their iPhone. So right off the bat, you should see in the top left corner 3 lines. And if I click on that, it brings up all of these options. And that's what my friend was not able to see when they logged in. So I'm going to log in here real quick. All right. And so again, we see in the top left corner those 3 lines. If I click on those, I can come down here. I want to do a trade. And so here I can enter the ticker symbol. And real quick, again, if you don't know what to pick for your first trade, just think of companies that you love. If you have an iPhone, go with Apple. If you drink Starbucks every day, go with Starbucks. And then if you don't know their ticker symbol, so just Google, what's Apple's ticker symbol? Right next to NASDAQ. 1 to 5 characters. All right, so if you have any questions about how to navigate through the website, how to buy, how to sell, anything, don't hesitate to contact me on my social medias. I'll respond, or you can leave a comment here, and then I will make a video, because if you have a question, I'm sure everybody else has the same question, and we're only helping out each other. All right, good luck. Market opens on Monday.